Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book, and today it looks like we're doing number 35. If we start with this box, we're missing 5, 6, and 8. We've got a 5 here and a 6 here. So this is our 8. That 6 makes this our 5, 6. For this row, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 5, 9. For this box now, we're missing 1, 6, and 7. We've got 6 covering both of these boxes, so 1, 7, 1, 7. That means our 6 has to be here. For this row, we're missing 1 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 1, 8. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 2 here, so 3, 2. For this column, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 4, 8. For this box now, we're missing 1, 6, and 7. We've got 1 and 7 here, so this is our 6. 7 here, so 1, 7. For this column now, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 2 here, so 4, 2. For this box now, we're missing 5, 7, and 9. We've got 9s covering these 2 rows, so our 9 has to be here. I don't see any other help, so 5, 7, 5, 7. For this row, we're missing 6 and 7. And I don't see any help, so 6, 7, 6, 7. For this row, we're missing 2, 4, and 8. We've got 4 and 8 here, so this is our 2. 4 here, so 8, 4. For this column now, we're missing 1 and 5. And I don't see any help. So 1, 5, 1, 5. For this box, we're missing 1, 5, and 6. We've got a 6 here. So 1, 5. That means our 6 has to be here. That 6 makes this our 7, 6. That 7 makes this our 1, 7. That 1 makes this our 5, 1, 5. That 5 makes this our 7, 5. For this row now, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 2 here, so 3, 2. For this row, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got the 6 here, so 1, 6. For this box, we're missing a 1. For this box, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got a 7 here, so 8, 7. For this box, we're missing 4, 8, and 9. We've got a 4 and 9 here, so this is our 8. 4 here, so 9 and 4. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.